Hello friends, welcome back to DevOps Sync. In this video, we are going to learn storage classes. So let's discuss different storage classes we have for Amazon ES3. So here you can see some list of storage classes of ES3 storage classes. So the first is Amazon ES3 standard general purpose. Then second, Amazon ES3 standard infrequent access, that means IA. Then Amazon ES3 one zone infrequent access. Then Amazon ES3 glacier instant retrieval. Then Amazon ES3 glacier flexible retrieval, and Amazon S3 Glacier Deep Achieve, and the last is Amazon S3 Intelligent Tiering. So that's the some storage classes of S3 you can see here. So when we create an object in Amazon S3, you can choose its class and you can also modify its storage class manually, or you can use Amazon S3 lifecycle configuration to move object automatically between all these storage classes. So let's create a new bucket in S3. So let's create. So click on create bucket. So enter your bucket name. So my bucket name will be my bucket 2022. Then AWS region is AP South 1. Then ACL enable. Then remove this all public, block all public access. And then I acknowledge. And then create bucket. So what the name is already exist. So here my bucket 17/05/2022. Then create bucket. Okay, you can see a successfully created bucket, my bucket. So if I scroll down here, you can see our bucket and our region is Asia Pacific Mumbai AP South 1. So let's open our bucket. So now let's upload file. So click on upload and add files. And here I will upload this image 1.jpg and then click on upload. So before upload, click on upload, you can see a properties. So go to the properties and here you can see storage class. So here you can see the number of storage classes. The first is standard and designed for frequently accessed data more than once a month with millisecond access, and age is 3 and minimum storage duration is blank. Then minimum billable object size, then monitoring and auto tiering fees and retrieval fees. Then the second is intelligent tiering. So data is changing or unknown access, and age is 3 after. Then minimum storage duration blank, then minimum billable object size, then monitoring and auto tiering fees per object fees apply for object 128 KB greater than or equals to 128 KB. Okay, then third one is standard IA, infrequently accessed data once a month with millisecond access, age is 3. Then after that, minimum storage duration 30 days. Then minimum billable object size 128 KB. Then retrieval fees per GB fees apply. So there's some storage classes. You can see the list of storage classes. Then one zone IA, then Glacier instant retrieval, then Glacier flexible retrieval, formally Glacier. After that, Glacier deep achieve, then reduced redundancy. So here is some list of storage classes. Now, if you want to another storage class, choose another storage class. Then here I will choose this standard IA and then click on upload. Then click on close. So now this object has the storage class standard IA as it is shown here. You can see a storage class standard IA, right? So now I can also change storage class if I want to. So click on this image 1.jpg So I can go to properties here and I scroll down. Here you can see storage classes, right? So click on edit, and now I have storage class standard I. If I want another, then click on edit and then choose the storage class. So here I will choose this one zone I. Now I have this standard I, and now I will choose one zone I. Then click on save changes, then close. So now you can see here the storage class. If I scroll down here, you can see our storage class 109. So if I want choose another storage class, then same, click on edit and select another, this Glacier Deep Achieve, and then save changes. Click on close. And if I scroll down here, you can see the storage class Glacier Deep Achieve. And if I go to my bucket, and here also you can see a storage class Glacier Deep Achieve, right? Now this object has the storage class Glacier Deep Achieve as it is shown here. So in this video, we have learned storage class. I thank you for watching our video. I hope you like the video and it's helpful to you. So please like, share and subscribe our DevOps channel.